Hello student, Assalamu alaikum. This is Laiba Tariq, your biology instructor from tutoria.pk. Today we are discussing the exercise of your chapter 22, that is the inheritance. Let's start with the MCQs. So the first MCQ is, Mendel law of independent assortment can be demonstrated by test cross, back cross, monohybrid cross या dihybrid cross. तो right option है option D, dihybrid cross. Question 2 है, investigators do a dihybrid cross between two heterozygous and get about a 3:1 among the offsprings. The reason must be due to polygenic, paleophytic, trophic genes, linked genes, epistasis genes. The right option है option C, linked genes. Question 3 है, whether an allele is dominant or recessive is dependent on how common the allele is relative to another allele, whether it is inherited from the mother or father, which chromosome it is on, whether it shows the expression in heterozygous state or not. The right option is option D, whether it shows the expression in heterozygous state or not. Question 4 है, all of the offsprings of a white hen and the black roosters are grey. The simplest explanation for this pattern of inheritance is option A, linkage, option B, sex linkage, option C, independent assortment, option D, incomplete dominance. The right option is option D, incomplete dominance. Question 5 है, a man who has type B blood and a woman who has type A blood could have the children of the following phenotype. A or B types only, AB only, AB or O only, A, B or O. तो राइट ऑप्शन है ऑप्शन डी, A, B and O. और इसमें आपने ये भी याद रखना क्योंकि यहाँ पे 4 गैमेट्स हैं और हर जो होता है जब आपके 2 क्रॉस आप करते हैं मोनोहाइब्रिड का तो उसमें 4 गैमेट्स या 4 टाइप्स ऑफ ऑफस्प्रिंग प्रोड्यूस होते हैं. सो दैट्स वाई हम इसे इस तरह भी यूज़ कर सकते हैं. क्वेश्चन 6 है, व्हेन मदर्स एंड TRH negative antibodies seep through placenta into the blood circulation of fetus, they start dash of RBC of the fetus. Plasmolysis, crenation, hemolysis, deplasmolysis. The right option is hemolysis. Hemolysis means breakdown of the red blood cells. Question 7 है, all chromosomes other than the sex chromosomes are autosomes, mesosomes, polysomes या lysosomes. The right option is option A, autosomes. Question 8 है, if a man of M blood groups marry a woman of N blood groups, all their children will have M blood group, N blood group, O blood group, MN blood group. The right option is option D, MN blood group. Question 9 है, RH blood group system is encoded by 3 genes, C, D and E, which occupy dash tightly linked loci. The option A है 4, option B है 3, option C है 5, option D है 2. The right option है option B, 3. Question 10 है, albinism is a recessive gene. A woman with albino father marries an albino man. The proportion of her progeny is, progeny means her offsprings. Option A, 2 normal, 1 albino. Option B, all normal. Option C, all albino. Option D, 1 normal, 1 albino. The right option is option D, 1 normal, 1 albino. Phenomena of an allele of one gene suppresses the activity of another allele of another gene is called dominance, epistasis, suppression या inactivation. The right option is option B, epistasis. Question 12 है, blood groups in humans are controlled by option A, 4 alleles in which A is dominant, option B, 3 alleles in which A and B are co-dominant and I is recessive, option C, 3 allele in which none are dominant, option D, 3 allele in which A is dominant. The right option is option A, 4 allele in which A is dominant. Question 13 है, genes located on the same locus but having different expressions are called multiple alleles, oncogenes, polygenes, codominants. The right option है option A, multiple alleles. इसके साथ ही हमारे MCQs complete हो गए. In the next video we will discuss the short question that is present in your book.